Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we have Engineer U to demonstrate how to change the filter mesh for styrofoam pelletizer machine. The automatic filter mesh switching mechanism has two positions for placing filter mesh, one above and one below. During normal operation of the EPS pelletizer machine, only one of them needs to be used. When you notice that the material discharge is not smooth or melted, EPS is overflow. It needs to be replaced promptly. Note: before using the filter mesh, remove the metal protective cover first. Here are the detail steps. 1. On the electrical control panel, press the oil pump start button. 2. Push down the red handle. The top filter mesh descends into the mold and starts working, while the bottom filter mesh is exposed in the air and can be replaced accordingly. Use scissors or filter mesh shovel to remove the filter mesh. After installing the new filter mesh, push up the red handle, the bottom filter. Mesh rises into the mold and then starts working, while the top filter mesh is exposed and can be replaced. 3. After completing the filter mesh replacement, press the oil pump stop button. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.